Today we will be seeing the 5 best AI generators out there, and guess what, if you stay till the end then you will be able to see the 6th one also, a bonus AI art generator. So let's get started with it already. So the first one is Prompt Hero. Here you can type any prompt and search for images over here and you will be able to get them. The second one is getimage.ai. Here you can start getting or creating the images or the arts for free. Just try it out. And the next one is maze.space. Here you can just type anything that you want to search for and start, and after that you will be getting the images of the kind that you just searched. So the next one is picfinder.ai. Here you can generate infinite images out here powered by AI, so just play around with it. And the next one is lexica.art. Here you can just search for an image over here that has already been created, or you can generate your own by just switching it to generate. And the bonus one is Blue Willow. Here you can just join it for free and start creating your AI art. So these were the top 5 and a bonus AI art generator out there. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.